Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this episode we will be learning how to turn off sound effect in Brawl Stars. If you're looking to enjoy Brawl Stars without the background music or sound effects, here's a simple guide to help you customize your audio settings. First of all, open up Brawl Stars on your device and from the home page, tap on the 3 horizontal menu button at the top right corner. In the pop-up, click on Settings and then under Sound Effects and Music, drag the slider towards the left-hand side to mute the sound effect and music option. Make sure that it looks like this, and once you do that, you'll be able to switch off both sound effects and music. You can now enjoy Brawl Stars without any sound or music. You can also play a good background music of your choice while playing the game. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.